Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about TikTok monetization tool, and I'm going to explain everything to you as far as TikTok monetization is concerned, what you need to exactly know before you start making money on TikTok. Let me show you how. The very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up my TikTok app. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click on this three slider from the top corner. Go ahead and click on Creator Studio. Now you are here. Go ahead and scroll down right here and you have monetization sections right here. Go ahead and click on monetization. Go ahead and click on view all. So for every account, you have a monetization tools applicable to you. Ineligible to apply. This is because this account here is not yet met up the criteria. And what are the criteria before you can start making money on your TikTok account? The first one here is work with artists. So when you create posts with feature sound and get paid based on how your post is performance. Here, when you create any post on TikTok and use any artist sound, you get reward for that. But this is only applicable to individual TikTok account. If you are using a business TikTok account, you are not eligible for these options right here. So you have to know that. So the next one right here is another way to make money on TikTok. So let's find out. Now this here, join subscription to monetize your content. This is for fan base only. When you create a content and you tag it as a fan base only, offer exclusive benefit that only subscribers enjoy. Only your subscribers can have access to that type of content. Build a community to connect more closely with subscribers, then get paid on your community of subscribers grow. You can click on here to read more detail about this. You are not eligible to join. This is because this account here is not yet meet up the criteria. And these are the criteria right here. First, you must be older than 18 years of age. You must have at least 10,000 followers, and you must have at least 100,000 video views in the last calendar month. Meet our community guideline and creator code of conduct. So you have not violated any creator violation in the code of conduct on TikTok account. So once you meet up with the 4 criteria right here, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and simply turn on join subscription. So once you turn on join subscription, so your follower will have access to some of base member content on your TikTok account, and you will be getting a reward for that, just like what you see right here, and you are getting your pay in USD or whatever currency you might decide. So let's go back. So the very last one right here has to do with build connection with potential clients when you are live. Here, if you are a professional or you are offering a professional services, you can also earn money when you are on live season on your TikTok account. So all in all, these are all 3 stages that you need to meet up before you start making money from your content on your TikTok account. However, you can go ahead and click on get me notified when I'm eligible. So all program, recommended program are none. So you can choose any of the options right here. I'm going to select all program right here. So once you see those, so it's that simple. So once you meet up all the criteria, even if you are not aware, TikTok is going to send you an email for you to turn on the monetization button and start making money from your content on your TikTok account. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to grow and how to make more money in TikTok account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.